that person your friend. Doesn't make that person your sister. Those people, they were no friends. They were enemies among themselves. They will not be friends. Jesus would walk with his 12 disciples. They were never his friends. So, more than all should done for them. They look at like some wonderful thing. Grace upon how far they not be ever be friend. They not be ever be, because a friend, somebody will call you friend, call you sister, will never. Even if the person see a nude picture for some side, the person go delete her. You know, everyone keep them. So that to the extent they show up for the next person. So they will never, they not be ever be friends. So the one that don't teach all the way they do hook up, so they get for group, they for now when people they inside group, till they delete, they want to say they blame person. Don't blame anybody. When you are inside the group, you are among enemies. So you protect yourself, protect your voice note, protect everything about you. Protect. Because this one will show how devilish where people, the way you believe, you call them your own sisters, if it take you that far. All of them are picking them. But if they do wrong or say wrong is wrong, right is right. According by the story, where would you get out from my ear? Team pass for Henze. Oh, no. If Henze truly consider Lady Billionaire as a sister, you know, even keep that news to the extent when we show up for the next person. Just to tell you, they were never friends. Henze is a daughter to me. I love her so much. But this is no cool area. As us young people. You know, fine. And then number two, before you get the nude picture, you know, say Lady Billionaire I'm a woman. And you know, say if you keep that nude picture for your phone, or you keep it for any side, you think you keep them, automatically phone feel lost. And any person will pick up. So what were you keeping? If you keep the nude picture for your phone, you know, say that phone feel lost. Now I advise all young girls, if you be a young girl, you watch me today, never. My daughter know the whole year now so. When a million they pay you, when almost some boy give you, when I'm again a distant, Jericho distant. I don't big distant with my husband. I don't big time the way they different country. We need to do video, show last video. No, for what? For what? Say tomorrow you get married Chakara. Tomorrow you get, because nobody knows. Yes, Bible say better or for worse till death do us part. But what is the big home to my young girls today? Why must you do video, all those things there? If you be a young girl, you will watch me. We not stop the rubbish for social media. We not stop them. Yes, mommy people can't fight. I didn't want to go fight any person where you don't make mistake, share or do anything. We not see what to happen for them. We not just watch me. Yes, because if we not go plan for key person, because that one na part of killing. When I want kill Lady Billionaire, when I want scatter and married by all costs. When I want Chakara and married by all costs. Hence, you go for make a big apology to Lady Billionaire. Big apology. I don't do for whether you do the apology now, you do the apology now. You get for do an apology to Lady Billionaire. Not you bring up outside, but you had it on your phone. And if you consider Lady Billionaire like a sister or like a working colleague, the day when they say you that news, or when I be collected at outside, or even though I still do my investigation about this thing, the day when they say you that news, as you claim, first thing, if you talk to Lady Billionaire, I'm there for one group. If you tell me, say, my colleague or my sister or some person don't send your nude for me, you know, go for the next person. Because you know, get no problem. We people were in speaking terms. We were in the same group. And if person can send you that kind of thing about it, the first thing you do is to go straight to Lady Billionaire and tell Lady Billionaire, say, wonderful thing, no. By love, this social media man will see all kinds of things. See, two of them can send her from my phone. But you not do them. You not do them. You decide for say you get a good partner in crime. Una come on now go, you carry and go na for your partner in crime. Which justification when they on social media say they can't tip your phone, they don't tip waiting? No! They don't make no sense. The only justification you have is to give a big apology to Lady Billionaire. And try to apologize to Lady Billionaire husband. For you for also find peace. Yes. For you for also find peace. For you for also get the husband to know a way he will trust and believe in you. Will he do things that will not know what to do? When mommy be one talk now, oh mommy be one control we, mommy be one do this. I need to control no person, but should be told. If I know be stand up today for address the thing, when I for look me for the community like the woman, something happen, it was she don't quiet. When something is bad, it's bad. Hence, you don't get no justification for right for social media. No justification on this planet Earth for right and for social media. I love you so much as a daughter. You know that one, go back to back. But you don't get no justification. The only person where you owe an apology to is Lady Billionaire and the husband. You owe that family a big apology. Because if truly you consider with Lady Billionaire like somebody, or you even consider it saying that some person where you talk with, when I know how you quiet, you even consider it saying that person where they will send you that thing for your phone as you claim. First thing, it's not about picking dopers today. If person try, send something for me about dopers. The first thing I do, I contact him. Is that they say they eat dopers? If you try say this something about me, dopers, he go send on my phone. He send on my phone, he tell me say, mommy, bro, the person don't talk so. He send her for me. That's why you live with your people, your friends. We are in a war zone as well at the corner. So anything can happen for any person at any time. You go for I go for to watch your back, you do watch my back, Lady Billionaire to watch your own back, do want to watch your own back. Now so I get for live. Baby, you can't reach for stage for you, they send you something about Lady Billionaire. The first thing you get for do. First thing, hence you be an educated girl. You not be illiterate. You go school fine. You talk better grammar for your mom. You be beautiful girl. I don't be believe so if you go stoop so low to that level. I don't ever believe. Yes, you get gra, you may have gra. But at the end of the day, there are certain things, a privacy of a woman. Now you that get charity today. Now you that the one bring up girl child them, picking them, one support them for school. Now so you will handle some situation about one of your picking the other send for you say the naked picture for answer. Is that how you handle it? Keep it in your phone. First thing, you just get to carry that naked picture. Inbox the Billionaire immediately. Tell you say where nothing they don't send about you. So that if the Billionaire will know how to start for block him, for know which side they think he come out, how you want start for attack him. Yes. You know do one. You know do one. You take him, go meet up. Person where una two una be talk say as well, oh una come on one side. Hence you too wise for this. You too intelligent for this. You form a hand. They rate the level and the level I give you, the way I think say you the reason. Your intelligence, the rate at which one I rate you. I can't tell you a lie. You break me today, you break. I don't become a go now. This so busy. I be so busy. I fly again the week. I be extremely busy. But I don't be fit stay quiet. No. I don't be fit stay quiet. I don't want to start send voice note for big 5 voice note. No, I don't want to send. I say I will address them for social media. Because I don't really start writing for social media. I don't be the writer such a time for every liver. I'm not saying when I write them for social media. I say my addresser. It is bad. I don't care about the person where they say now they bring up outside now. No, that one no, because that one already know which side belong. We already know which side where they go. We know the stage. They side with demon and they God don't keep people there. So that one, then here's be my own problem. I don't get problem with other person. I don't even bother. Because if they say for any problem, For any problem, you go for the root of the problem. Not going to the head, the branches, the sticks. No. If you be rich for hands in hand, hands will take them, cut down the billionaire as a sister, share them with the billionaire. Or hands no go share on the if just delete them one time. Me, I get plenty people don't send me news to my phone. Immediately they send you to my phone and they delete them. I didn't even keep on 1 second. Your phone feel lost. I think commander for answers my phone lost. Person pick my phone, they can open and start to spread things inside. Now we for technology where people they hack your phone, people they hack enter for places, people they do this, anything can happen. Why you keep a fellow woman, you be lesbian? Why you go carry a fellow woman in keep up your phone? You don't become lesbian. Because the man picking they keep that thing because when they don't they're hungry, they go look at them, go excite themselves with them. But you as a woman, you go take person you need to keep up your phone. You be lesbian. Why you keep her?